Tutorial 3, here we go. We're going to make a circle and also a center point arc. Create a sketch, select our plane, create center diameter circle, right in the middle. It's going to be 50 millimeters. I'm going to go to create, then we're going to center point arc. Click the center point, exactly what the arc is, a arc with the center point. Center point, we're going to move over 35, click, and then we just move it over and we create our arc. Boom, 180 degrees, right there. Next thing we'll do is create our line tool. All right, zoom out a little bit, create our line tool, and then we're going to move this line. It's going to be 20, so 20. And then we're going to go in 5, just like that, and then 60. And then we're also going to go over 10, down 5, over 40, and then we just kind of copy the other side. So 5 and then 10 again. And then we're going to go down 60, over 5, and down to connect. Capiche? Ta-da! Voila! We are done. We created a circle, also a center point arc. And this kind of looks like a clock a little bit. But of course, the next step is we're going to save it. Control S to save. We'll call this tutorial 3. And that's pretty much it. See ya.